The grammar is given this, and we we want to cross check that grammar is LR1 or not. So this is first transition, this is second transition, this is third, this is fourth, this is fifth, and this is sixth transition. So first we are going to write closure. Augmented grammar we know how to write. Then we start with the closure. Closure stitch dot s comma dollar. Then we will write go to function. So I will write go to function. Start from here. Stitch dot s comma dollar. Then what is next is dot aa. So we'll write s tends to dot aa comma dollar, because this is first symbol, so dollar will come. Then dot vac comma dollar, dot bc comma dollar, dot bba comma dollar. The next is a tends to dot d, because dot d and what is coming after a, because after a what is coming? A. So we are writing a. Then b tends to dot d. What is coming after b? C is coming, so we are writing C. So this is I naught. This is what? This is I naught. Then we are going further for B terminal. So what is there? So you'll see S tends to, because this is completed and there is no conflict in it, so we are seeing only those where we can have conflicts. So S tends to dot B dot A C comma dollar, because A is here, so A will also come. So A tends to dot D, but here after A what is there? C, so C will come. The next for B, this one, so S tends to B dot B A comma dollar. So B is here, so B tends to D will come, B tends to dot D, but after B what is there? A, so A will come. So this is our I1. This is our I1. Now we'll see for D terminal. So what is D? We'll see that A tends to D dot is completed, and A will come. Then B tends to D dot completed, then C will come. So this is I2. This is called I2, and here only shift, and here two reductions are there. We can see fifth and sixth. So it will be R5 and it will be R6. So now I'll see further. Here this is completed. Now what is left here? So we'll see the D terminal. We'll see here, so that we can see the conflict, because of D only conflict is coming, so we are seeing D again. So A here, A tends to this one, A tends to D dot comma C, and B tends to D dot comma A. So this is called I3. This is called I3, and here also R5 and R6 reductions according to the transition. So we'll see now where is the problem, where is the problem not. So in I1, I0 there is no problem, I1 there is no problem because all are shift, but I2 and I3 can have problem because two reductions are there, and both lookahead symbols are different. So we'll see. So definitely LR0 not possible, because two reductions are there in I2 and I3, so no LR0 grammar. So now we'll see for first of A and first of B, because in both I2 and I3 A and B variables are present. So first of A and first of B will be what? First of A, from here we can say A and C, and B also A and C. So both we can say A comma C. So both are same because both are same. Follow. So it cannot be. So it can't be SLR1 grammar. It can't be SLR1 grammar. So now we'll see for CLR1. CLR1 we'll see because lookahead symbol are different for A and B and A and B, because lookahead symbols are different for A and B variable, so it is CLR1 grammar. You see this CLR1 grammar. Now we'll see this is LALR1 or not, because in LALR1 what is required? Minimization of CLR1 is required. So we'll see by table. We'll see by table. So what we have A and B, A, B, C and D. 4 terminals are there. So we'll write here terminal A, B, C and D, and dollar will come as we know. So you'll write like this. We'll make like this, and now the state. So this is I2 and this is I3. So you'll write here number of state 2 and 3. Now we'll see conflicts are there or not. So for A R5 and for C R6, and at 3 for C R5, for C R5 and for A R6, because this is the 6th transition, so R6. So R6. So according to the CLR1, this is CLR1 table because we are looking by lookahead symbol. So at second state for A and B lookahead symbols are different, and at third state for A and B lookahead symbols are different. So this is CLR1, so there is no problem. But if we talk about the LALR1, it means minimization. It means minimization. If we do minimization, that is minimization of this table, that is LALR1. LALR1. So what will happen? Let's see. So again we'll make the table A, B, C, D and dollar. We make the table, and number of states are 2 and 3. Now I'll see if we minimize that, then what will happen? If we combine both of them, then what will happen? R5/R6, and here also R5/R6. So this is the conflict. Here no conflict because lookahead symbols are different, but here if we minimizing, then RR, this means reduce conflict. Conflict is there, so it is not LALR1 grammar. This is not LALR1 grammar, because if we make it I2 3, if we combine them, then what will happen? A tends to dot D, B tends to dot D, and what will come? It will come like this. It will come like this. I2 3. I2 3. If we combine them, so this is a conflict. So this is not a LALR1 grammar, but this is CLR1 grammar, because in CLR1 grammar we'll see by lookahead symbol, but if we combine them, if we minimize it, then reduce conflict is there. So this is not LALR1 grammar.